Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to crochet a small heart step by step. This crochet small heart tutorial is very easy and perfect for beginners. These small crochet hearts are great for keychains, gifts, or crochet projects like headbands, hats, and bags. For this crochet small heart, you will need any yarn color you like, a crochet hook, scissors, and a yarn needle. Make a magic ring, then chain 1 to secure it. Then add 2 chains. Now into the magic ring, we'll crochet the heart shape. Start by making 3 double crochets into the ring. Now make 3 half double crochets into the ring. Now make 1 double crochet into the ring to make the tip of the heart. Now we'll making other side of the small crochet heart. With 3 half double crochet and 3 double crochet stitches into the magic ring. Make 3 chain and then slip stitch into the magic ring to complete the other half of the heart. Pull the yarn tail to close the center. You'll now see a cute small crochet heart taking shape. Chain 1, cut the yarn and pull through tie yarns. Use a yarn needle to weave in the ends neatly at the back. And that's it. Your crochet small heart is complete. This easy crochet heart is perfect for beginners and works up in just a few minutes. You can make many of these hearts for handmade gifts, decorations, or selling crochet items. If you enjoyed this crochet small heart tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy crochet projects. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting!